Well, hey there, folks. I just got done putting some new brake pads on the rear of this 2005 Kia Optima, and I want to show you what I found. Now, I already got the wheels on, so you're just going to have to trust me. I did rotate the tires too, so I checked the front brake pads while I had the wheels off. The fronts had a lot of meat, they look great, and I'll show you what I found on the rear. That's the problem. All right, folks, here's the rear pads. I'm going to zoom in on these and let you guys see if you can see anything that looks a little different. This is the driver's side. This is the passenger side. Okay, I'm going to flip them over. Driver side, passenger side. So we can see the driver's side had a lot of meat. They almost look like the ones on the front of the vehicle. There's the passenger side. They are clear worn down. This one all the way to the metal. Flip them over again now. Now to me, now the guy I bought this car from was an 80-year-old man, right? He didn't work on it. He took it to the garage. And I actually have all the receipts and the Carfax showing where these brakes were done. But anyways, once again, driver's side, they have part numbers on them. I never knew brake pads had a best by date, but apparently they do. Best if used by 2016. This one here has a number there too. You can see the amount of rust on them. And this car has like no rust on it. Now look at the passenger side. It's my suspicion that when he took it in to have the brakes done, because he told me the first time he ever had the brakes done on this car, because it only has 68,000 miles on it. When I bought it, it had less than that. It's got 68,000 on it now. I think it had like 64 on it when I bought it. But anyways, he told me he had them all replaced. It's my theory that yes, they replaced both front brakes and one on the rear. And for whatever reason, just got lazy and didn't replace the last one or forgot. Who knows? It's the only thing that makes sense to me. What do you guys think? You can see the style. The clips are different on them too. So what's the moral here of the story? Be cautious where you take your vehicle to, even if it's, an automotive shop with ASE certified mechanics. It doesn't mean shit. This should be proof. Be careful out there, guys. Hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching.